friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today we're going to be checking out the yarns that I will be using for my projects in March. Alright, so my first project for March is going to be using a brand new yarn from Lion Brand. Now, since March is already here, this project is done. I am out of yarn, and so I'm just going to show you the whole entire project. So, ready? How cool is that? So this is the Granny Stripe Cape. I had so much fun designing this project. I really enjoyed using this brand new yarn from Lion Brand. I'm posting this before the yarn goes live, so I'm not going to tell you much about this yarn except that it is a number 4 worsted weight yarn. It is a 100% natural fiber. It's a blend of fibers, but it's all natural fibers. It comes in gorgeous colors. You are going to love it. This is going to be a great yarn for you guys to use for spring and summer projects, really year round, but especially as we get into the warmer weather. This is the Granny Stripe Cape. This is releasing as my first project for March. I wanted to do something a little bit different. So when you think of like a granny shawl or anything like that, usually it's a rectangle or it's just one triangle like this. You'll usually see them where they're just one triangle. I had the idea to just take out one part of a granny square. I looked all over the place. I didn't find anything like this particular design. And then when it was completed, I actually used the Google Lens feature and went to go search and see if anything came up, and nothing did. So I'm super excited because this design, to me, I believe is very unique. I think it's really nice because what this does by taking a granny square and essentially removing one of the triangular wedge out of it, what that does is it makes it so that this is not a huge shawl, right? You don't have that big point going all the way down your back. It makes it really easy to wear because you do have all of this material to kind of hold it over your shoulders, and it's nice and light and just super comfortable. So now, as I said, this is a brand new yarn from Lion Brand, so I'm not going to tell you much about it, but I will tell you that I absolutely loved working with this brand new yarn. The stitch definition was amazing. It glides like butter on my hook. I really was very surprised because this is a yarn fiber that sometimes I feel like can drag a little bit, but I did not have that as an issue with this yarn. I had a really easy time weaving all of these ends in. I know it's a lot of color changes, but it's totally worth it. The ends wove in perfectly. I loved working with this yarn. You're really gonna love it. So make sure you guys subscribe so that this way you don't miss the free pattern and video tutorial that is dropping for this pattern at the very beginning of March. It's going to be the first Thursday of this month that this pattern will go live. I believe that is the 6th. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss when this one drops. It will be a full step-by-step video tutorial, so I know you're going to love that, because making sure that you get your stitch placement and everything just right to achieve this shape could be a little bit of a challenge, because like I said, I haven't seen this anywhere, so I don't know how familiar anybody might be with making something like this, but gosh, isn't this nice? I mean, I love how this one falls just below the shoulder. It doesn't hang too far down your back, and you can also just kind of drape it around. All right, so the Granny Stripe Cape is my first project for March. Moving on to project number 2. You all know this yarn. This is Woolies Thick and Quick. So if you are not familiar with Woolies Thick and Quick, where have you been? Woolies Thick and Quick is one of Lion Brand's classic yarns. This yarn is great. Oh, let me switch so we're not getting blown out on camera. This yarn, I love the ply on this yarn. It is a 2-ply yarn. It is a number 6 bulky weight yarn. This yarn is going to be for a super special project. You guys have been requesting this. I have finally figured out a solution to our problem. One of my most popular home deck patterns is my Chunky Single Crochet Basket, which uses Lion Brand's Woolies Wow. Sadly, Woolies Wow is being discontinued. I think there's only 2 colors available that you could still find online, and it kind of sucks because that's a great basket and so many of you want to make it. And I have gotten so many messages and comments and just requests, emails saying, oh my goodness, I can't find this yarn. What's a good substitute? This. Why? Because we're going to hold it double. So when you hold a super bulky weight number 6 double, it essentially becomes a jumbo weight yarn, which Woolly's Wow is a jumbo weight yarn. So here is the solution to our problem. I am going to be re-releasing my Chunky Single Crochet Basket, giving you all of the information needed to make it using Woolly's Thick and Quick, held double of course, with a brand new full video tutorial that's really going to dive into all of my tips and tricks on how to make this basket absolutely perfect. From working in the round for the base, making sure that we hide our joins, and then how we will come up the sides, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. I'm also going to show you a really easy way that I use to divide my skeins in half when I'm working something double, because I have a few patterns that are worked with yarns held double. Or if you ever need to use a yarn held double, I'm going to show you guys a trick. So using these two for the base of the basket is going to be super simple because I'm just going to work a strand from each skein, but making the top half of the basket in this contrasting color is going to be a little bit more difficult, and we want to make sure that we have the right amount of yarn to complete our basket, and I'm going to show you exactly how it is that we figure that out. So my new Chunky Single Crochet Basket will be the second project coming in March. Make sure you guys, again, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you have your notifications turned on so you don't miss it, because this one, again, will be another pattern coming with a full step-by-step tutorial alongside the free pattern and of course the Lion Brand kit. All right, my final pattern for March is something that I am so excited about. I gave you guys a sneak peek in one of my previous videos, but I didn't tell you what it was. I just gave you a peek. For my last pattern in March, I am using Lion Brand's Mandala in Dragon paired with their brand new yarn, Woolly's DK in Taupe. So I paired these two together because I thought that this was a really great color combination. The taupe mixes really well. There's kind of a taupey color in here, but not very much of it, so that this way you have quite a bit of contrast amongst these two yarns. Now, this is going to be another interlocking crochet project. However, it's going to be a wearable. You guys, we are making a crochet coat using interlocking crochet. So that means that this coat is going to be reversible. Like, I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. This is my third pattern for March and third and final pattern for March. I can't wait for you guys to see this. I did share a sneak peek of it in one of my previous videos, but just so you don't have to go back and find it, I'm going to show you again. Here is one of the panels. Do you not love that color combo? Isn't it gorgeous? So this is the back panel for the coat. And you could see that I made it all the way through the color transitions on this with the taupe and the dragon. It's gorgeous. It's going to be bold, but it's also not at the same time. It's also very subtle. It's a very subtle but bold with this bright blue kind of color combination. I love it. So this is the one side, right? There's no right or wrong side in interlocking crochet. So this is one side, and then this is the reverse side. So check that out. Super excited. We are going to make this coat so that it is reversible. Now, one thing that I'm a little bit undecided on right now, because I'm in a bit of a time crunch, only because I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible so I can take photos as comfortably as possible, because the belly is just growing. But the one thing that I'm kind of undecided on, and I want you guys to let me know in the comments, do I or don't I put pockets in this coat? The construction is sort of an issue when it comes to adding pockets on something like this, because it's going to be reversible, right? So I have to, if I do pockets, I have to figure out a way to do pockets where the pockets themselves are also reversible, right? So they would have to be seamed into the coat, right? I'm thinking they would be afterthought inset pockets, meaning that they would be like a classic coat pocket that would be in the coat, but I'd have to figure out how to seam them just right so that this way, when you have the coat one way, they sit nice and flush, And if you want to turn the coat right side out or right side in, or whichever way you're wearing it, you can pop the pockets back out and in to the other side, right? So that's the dilemma I'm having right now. I don't know that I have the time to necessarily figure that out, unless of course you guys really want pockets. So let me know in the comments if you want pockets. You gotta do it quick, and let me know if you want pockets, because like I said, we are at the very beginning of March and I am finishing this up right now for the end of March. So I kind of got to figure out whether or not we're going with pockets or not. So I don't know. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments. All right, guys. So I hope that you are all as excited about these 3 projects as I am. Like I said, just to recap, brand new yarn coming from Lion Brand, perfect for spring and summer. I will make sure that I give you more information on this yarn as soon as it releases and I can share. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Maybe another unboxing explaining a little bit more about this yarn. That might be fun. So first project, Granny Stripe Cape. Second project is going to be a Chunky Single Crochet Basket modification for the original one that's out, but again, slightly different, but we're gonna figure out a way to come up with a solution for that so that nobody has to worry about yarn being discontinued. And then third and final project for March is going to be using Lion Brand Mandala and Woolies DK to create yet another gorgeous interlocking crochet project. Thank you guys all for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video.